So I will show you how to make your own Stranger Things inspired intro with Halloween and all coming up. I feel like that's just a wonderful, wonderful idea.
Tutorial.
First, go to the App Store and get Riveo, which is an app that lives there. Pick the Stranger Things template, and now just select the text and put in something scary, like inflation. Or, the creeping realization as you get older that making friends is getting harder and harder. And the prospect of living alone is becoming a likely reality, depriving what remains of your life of any sense of joy, adding a ceaseless sense of foreboding. Or maybe zombies. Everything animates beautifully. You can change the font, the color, and when you're happy, if that is a category that you think in, hit share, and you shall be done.
Huh?
Why?
No. Oh, God. What?